like Abdi. I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to my channel, Fashion Things. Now, yesterday I unboxed my wee dinghy thing for Boat World, and today I'm going to be unboxing the wee outboard engine that I bought for it. It's a electric engine, just a wee electric engine. It works off a car battery. So we'll open it up and have a looky and see if it likes. No, that's it. It's an Orca. I think it's a 58 pound. I don't know about the thrust or whatever, but that's the size out for it says on the ticket. And that's it. Yeah, it's a fair weight. Doing it this here. That must be for the motor is. Oh, I sealed in. Some way down here, like. Now, I'll see if I can make a setup on a vise so that I can hook it on and dry it out. I've got a bit of plywood here, thick bit of plywood, and I'll stick it on a vise and see if I can get the outboard on top somewhere or other. Maybe better putting it this way. There's no muckle room in this shitty. Just full of all sorts of stuff. No. I'd be surprised how heavy it is. A fair weight. I hope you can see this. It's an awful job getting the camera positioned right. There's not a lot of room in my shady. So I'll just need to see how this turns out. Oh, that's it doing here. Now, they just give you a cable to clip onto your battery, your car battery or whatever battery you're using. Now, they didn't give you much length there's not a lot of length in it, so the battery had to be real close to it. And the battery that I'm planning on using is a fair size, so ideally I was wanting it further up into the centre of the boat, because I'll be sitting aft, and just to spread the weight out a wee bit, because the outboard's a fair bit of weight itself, or the bottom bit of it. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Now, this is a leisure battery which I'm going to be using. So I don't know about how long it'll run in it or fit ever. Yeah, it's just a case of trying nothing out. Now what's a wee tiller? Yes. Bit off now. The wee tiller on. Claps on. Propeller. It's actually a fair size of a propeller for a wee electric motor. But that's it. I think I'll have to look at the instructions. Right, there's a wee like a keel fan that the gear to put on. Yeah, I don't know if you see it underneath the motor there, like that. But I'll leave it off just now because it's got a fine a wee thingy for protective cover thing for getting on here when I'm taking it away in a car. And I'll put this on just before put it onto the boat. Right, this is doing at the business end. And there's a wee pan. Hope you can see that here. Goes through the shaft. The propeller. The pan fits into this groove here. And shove it on here. Before you put on the nut, there's a wee plastic, I think it's a locking device. It'll get up against the nut, and that goes into our grooves, and that'll stop your nut slacking off. That's it into the grooves. Now put the nut on. And you'll hear it clicking there. That's it, going up against the locking device. Now what's that doing? Now we see there's a 2 or 3 adjustments here for tilting your engine up, and there's a fine bit of here to, if you take the weight to the engine, push that down and then click it up. You have a few different settings. Het actually is recht op de top in, straight uit. When you're pressing the lever, you lift up, take a strain off, push the lever out, and then click it in. That's a decent bitty. As I say, it's just 2 crocodile clips. Fine and simple. One onto the positive and one onto the negative. There's a bonus set of lights eigenlijk. And that tells you how much charge you've got. Fine and handy. Seems to be fully charged anyway. And then here we've got the settings forward and reverse. There's 2 reverse and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward gears. Right. We'll give that a try. Click it down forward. Oh, now away she goes. Ain't it quiet? And the second gear, yeah, there's not much difference. Third gear, fourth, or is that third? Just not sure. That'd be fourth. Fifth. Now, spinning here at a fair speed, and it's real quiet, but I suppose it'll be even quieter once it's in the water. Now, doing the gears again, and try reverse. Number 1 in reverse, 2, oh, there's actually 3 reverse. That's good. I didn't see the number 3. 2, 1. That's good. Fine and simple. Forward. Gear, reverse. So it's the Orca, and I think it's 58 pound, the Orca 58, and a fine bony display here. That you can when your battery's running out. Fine and simple. Click it on. But I don't know how long it'll hoe long it'll last, we can just try it out and see. I find we neat setup for a wee dinghy. If I ain't quiet. I'm not sure how quick it'll push that dinghy along, like, even though it's a light dinghy. It'll probably just do maybe a couple of knots, but it'll be alright for me, just nipping out for the shore and trying to see if I can find some fish and doing a sport of fishing, bit of fun. So now the pan, there's a pan that goes in the back of the propeller. Now, I mean, years ago I used to have scurry engines or seagull engines, and if you found up in a plastic bag or even a big lump of seaweed, you would snap it was a spring, it was actually not. You would snap the spring. So you would carry a pouch full of springs every time you do it. Just to make sure, because even a plastic bag or something, it would snap that spring. So I'm assuming that I would maybe happen with this and all, so I might have to look into getting some spare pins for us, because it's a pin, it's an issue. Unless maybe the motor's not strong enough to snap the pin if you fall up and anything. I just don't care. That happens here, but it might be better me getting some spare pins just in case. Now we're going to be trying this thing out in Loch Etive, or Loch Etive, or whatever you call it. I don't know how to pronounce it right, but I'm calling it Loch Etive anyway, just now, until somebody corrects me. But anyway, this is a sea loch in the west coast of Scotland. So we'll be trying a route in here, and I'm assuming a lot of bits in this loch is going to have a big tide, a lot of flow of tide. So with this wee motor, I'm not sure it'll push up through a tide on its strength. So what I'll have to do is just avoid the tidal bitties, and just watch what I'm doing. So, but that's it. Anyway, it's the Orca electric motor. In Finnebocht, the dinghy, the sib, it showed you, there was a wee video of a lad who, and he was using this exact motor on that model, a sib that I've got, the 330 SL, and it was pushing it along again. So we'll just have to see. It's just a bit of fun, get some fishing in. The Boat World 330 SL is the dinghy this motor will be going on till. Now, I unboxed that yesterday, so if you haven't seen that video, look for it. It's unboxing my 330 SL sib for Boat World. So if you haven't seen that, look at that. That's it for now. Watch this space. And if you enjoy my videos, mind and like and subscribe to my wee channel, FISHnTHINGS. Okay, take care of die. Watch yourselves. I'll catch you after.